Okay, we will use 3 pieces of the charms to make. So here, let's go. Hi, Savia. Happy to see you. Hello. Yes. Unusual shaped beads is this shape. And this shape, we can use it to make the zigzag bangle also. So let's go. This is the wax thread. I used the brown color. Hello, Yanni Barton. Happy to see you. So this one, I'm going to cut it 1 meter. 1 meter of the wax cord. Okay. This one. And we're going to use the wire 0.3 to string it as a needle. So I fold it at the middle. I will use this one as a needle. Here. This goes through. Fold. Okay. This one. And then the beginning, we will go to use the spring coin and the crimp beads 2 millimeter. This is the 2 millimeter crimp beads. Here, this one. Okay, the first let's put it with 2 pieces of the crimp beads at the beginning. I'm going to just use 1 piece of the crimp beads. Okay, 1 piece here. Then the spring, we're going to cut it. Cut about 1 inch. 1 inch the spring coin. Hello, Oi. Happy to see you. Then let's string the piece of the string with the wire here. This is the smaller size. I'm going to use our basic use the thick one. That's the same as we make the memory wire bangle. Okay, hello Kate F. Happy to see you. Hi Rondia. Okay. So we go through it. This way. Okay. Then the wire cord goes through. Here. It's tight like this way. So the top of the necklace is made by this way with the spring coin. Then tight. Press it the crimp beads. The extra we can cut. After cut it, we can use the fire to burn it. Okay, so here. Then we string the beads. Hello, sweet touch. Happy to see you. So this is the beginning of this necklace. Hi, Blue Moon. Beginning of this necklace. Then we go string the beads. Okay. So we use these shaped beads. Okay, then let's go. Gold beads first. So here is the easy way because we just string the beads one by one. Welcome to my live streaming. Hi, Dora. This is a channel share with you how to use the beads, the cord, the thread, and the copper wire and the chains, making the different jewelry. Here. So we use this shape to make a nice necklace. It's going to be a beads necklace. Here. Yes, this one we will be sell it in the shop. Okay, Dora need a total. Okay. This shape of the beads I got a lot of the colors, so you can choose the color you like. Just take the color you like. Okay. Here. What kind of the beads? This is a kind of the emerald beads, but not the high level emerald. 翡翠. Okay. It's the normal beads, not a high level emerald. It's just quality, not a high level. To make these beads. Yes. Almost like near the raw stone. It's a kind of the cord. Okay. Gold spacer here I use is 4 millimeter. The beads is 8 millimeter. This beads is 8 millimeter and gold spacer 4 millimeter. Here, string the beads. Yes. Ella fearing here the spacer beads I use is 4 millimeter here. It's going to be make it as a necklace. Then I made this just want to share with you the new way to make the end. String these beads. Hi Sabine, happy to see you. Welcome to my live streaming. It's a channel share with you how we making the jewelry. If you are interested in handmade or you do the jewelry business, here you can get some materials, get a new idea, get some skill learning. So here will be a nice place for you to learn the jewelry making, to get materials. If you have any question about the jewelry materials or jewelry making technique, feel free to ask here. I worked in the jewelry factory since 2011, so it's more than 10 years experience worked in the jewelry factory. I know a lot of the DIY technique and also some technique about planting. So if you are meet the question that your material is easy to be fade the color, you can ask her here. I'm a shop that sell the materials that the color non-tarnish. Even you go shower, go swimming, the color will not be fade. Okay, so we finished the string these beads. Yeah, what is the shape of those beads? Is this? Yeah, double tip. Yeah, double tip. So now the beads that we string, finally it will be 18 inch. So this is the beginning, and we are going to make another side of the end. We go to end the piece. Oh, yes, BICON. Yeah, size wire. Dear Jessica, you will not see that I'm not use a wire to string the beads. I just use the size 0.3, use it as a needle. Yeah. Big nail shape. Okay. So this one, we go through it. This is the crimp beads. And we will use this spring. This is the spring that we use it for memory wire bangle. Okay. Here. So this we let it go through. So you see it will be a crimp beads, a spring, and then we go to use the wire go through. Okay, tight, and pull the wire, then make the loop at the end. Okay, pull it tight. Pull it tight. Okay, then we can tighten it. Okay. Tight. So I tighten the spring a little bit. Burn it.没气了。Okay, so this is the piece of the necklace, part of the necklace we finish. Dora, your total for now is 129. 129 is your total, Dora. Okay. So then we're going to use this clasp. We can use the different clasp, make it. And here we use this one. And we are going to put this spring inside, and here we have some charms. Let's attach it. 129. 129 is your box total. 129. Okay. Here we put this jump ring. Okay. Put with the jump ring. Here, this is the middle size jump ring. Open, hang on, and close, open, hang on the charm, and close. You can see these beads and these beads, they are the same. Yeah, so here, close. Okay, then here we go to hang on the charm. We can put with the stone first. Put with the heart first. Put with this one here. Then we hang it. We hang it like a arrow. Yeah. The beads we use is 8mm. Heart beads is 8mm here. Okay. So here is the necklace that we use. We finished. It can be a necklace like this.